October 3rd is National Manufacturing Day, and here in Roanoke, we're proud to celebrate the companies that keep our economy strong. Manufacturing in Roanoke means innovation, craftsmanship, and opportunity. From advanced materials and precision machining to food production and medical devices, our manufacturers drive progress in every sector.
We greatly appreciate Roanoke City. We purposely moved to the city because it had more offering. A lot of our vendors are here. We could easily just run down. For example, one of our main vendors is right next door. Sometimes we open up the gates and they just deliver product to us.
These companies don't just create products, they create jobs. Thousands of residents work in Roanoke's manufacturing sector, building careers that support their families and our community. Manufacturing is one of the largest contributors to Roanoke's economy, fueling innovation, creating opportunity, and shaping the future of our city. Our horizons are bright as we continue to develop more shovel-ready sites for future manufacturers to call Roanoke home. On National Manufacturing Day and every day, we celebrate the people and companies who make it happen in Roanoke. Thank you to our manufacturers for investing in our city and our future.